Okay. Hello everyone. So we'll see another PYQ. See, the question was, uh, you have got two spheres of one spheres of steel and rubber. Now they ask which is more elastic. Okay. Or yeah, and then they asked to draw stress versus strain diagram for both. In solution C, the most important concept over here is higher the modulus of elasticity, or Young's modulus, higher is the elastic nature. Okay, so in rubber, steel versus rubber, we all know that E of steel is higher than E of rubber. Hence, steel is more elastic than rubber. Now, for stress versus strain diagram, steel ko we know generalized, that we can draw over here. The yield point, and then this is for steel person. For rubber, it is slightly different. For rubber, it will be something like this. So it will be- For simplicity, I am drawing like this. This is loading condition and this is unloading condition. This is loading and unloading. Okay. So here they might ask you again one question. See, they will confuse you by giving two graphs. I am now erasing this steel wala graph. This is the expected counter question from them. Okay. So they might give you like this. This was one curve and second curve be like this. Loading and unloading. Now here they might ask you which rubber is more suitable to store the higher strain energy. So here the one concept is area covered or area between the uh, stress versus strain diagram for rubber will denote the higher capacity or lower capacity. See, here the area is larger here over here, this area, than this. If we say this is 2, this is 1, hence strain energy carrying capacity of U1 will be greater than U2. Always check this area. So I hope this concept and the previous concept that I told over here is very much clear to you. Thank you.